Ay, Hanibi? Gucci lang yan ni Papa ma. Okay. Barato na kayo ni siya. Diba pagbasa anak mak ba yan? Tadagan mi wise naman guys. Mahal ka ayo. Very expensive. Like the $2,000. $2,000. Buang niya ay. Di ba nga, may tawag piti pa uli sa Pilipinas. Wait, natag $1,000 nga nilo. Oh. Bongga.
Eh? Walang kato? Hi.
What do you think, guys? Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. So it is Sunday morning and actually happy Australia Day to all the Australians all over the world. We are currently in South Melbourne and my sister Mimi is here. I don't know if you can still see, but Paris and Daddy just left. They're gonna go to one of our favorite cafe here in South Melbourne. But we are here because I'm going to get my nails done because they're long now, guys, and they're catching my hair every time I touch it. So yeah, that's a sign of it, you know, finished. Have to get a new one. And then Mimi's just gonna go to get some, I don't know if the lighting it, there you go. Mimi's just gonna go get some chocolates for Pasalubong, guys, because as you all know, she's going home this Friday. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're going to do, guys. We still have some, you know, few things on our plate today. I think we're gonna go to Southland Shopping Centre after here, but we'll see how we go because we're running out of time. Like it's already 11:30, I think. Yeah, we'll try to fit everything. But yeah, come with us, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye. Guys, they're closed, and tomorrow too. We'll reopen on the Tuesday. Ooh. So we got our chocolates now, guys. Show them. that man at the shop, guys. Well, he owns the shop for sure. He's very nice. Like if we buy something there, he always puts something extra. So yeah, he gave us another 2 Cadbury milk chocolate. Back, that's the bato na. So guys, we're just gonna go get some jam donuts. This one is my favorite, guys. And if you watch our previous video when we went to Camberwell Sunday Market, it's the same donut, guys. That's why I love it.
You want a cake?
But yeah, we're just gonna get, I think it's 6 for $10. Something like that. See you guys. Yummy. Hello. I'm gonna get some donuts. Get orange and apple juice for Paris. Yes. Daddy. Guys, so we're here because we love this shop. Yeah, we used to live here. We used to live here before, guys. And that's why Daddy gets really excited. So we're done with the market and We are just waiting for the car to go cold a little bit before we go in. So now we will be going to... Am I really close? Yes, I am very close. So now we're going to Southland Shopping Center. Woohoo!
Westfield Southland.
Apa tayo sa baba?
Anak.
Mommy. Apple.
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 Black up.
Going to die.
Alright.
Welcome to Westfield Southland. We'll see what they've got here, guys. Let's go and have a look.
I see you for years.
Have you been here before, Ma?
Yeah, once. 4 years ago.
Yeah.
5 years.
Yeah, I think they're like that.
Duh ko ng iPad, guys, oh. Kahit kayo tuplokon. Lain yun.
Bukok man nga.
B ba, B? Kuko ba, kuko? Kulungo. Oh, yan lang eh. Kuko ba ka? Dili siya kuhan. Sa TV. Ano day? Agpus. B.
Wala,
Wala siya,
di
wala siya, biblos, guys. We went to Proud's Jewelers because I want to get some pasalubong for my papa, guys, and my big brother because we're looking for the lift.
Here.
Here. So we have stuff for my mom and my brother and my niece, my nephew, guys. So we just need one for my dad and for my kuya. So, and I want to get them watch. So we'll see if we can get something affordable. Kaya watay sapi. Pubring kuan alindahaw. Ako'y pubring alindahaw. Ay, kanibi? Gucci lang yan ni Papa, ma. Okay. Berapa lah kain ni siya? Ba pagbasa anak mak ba? Tagger.
Gucci na lang, si.
Gan.
Gucci na lang, si.
Ito naman ko kayo tag 700 ra. Dato ba kayo?
Gucci na lang, si. Di kayo baka-afford sa. Siko.
Uy, kamahal ka ng siko. Go inside. Kadagan mi wise naman, guys. Mahal ka ayo. Very expensive, like the $2,000. Buang mo niya ay. Di ba nga, may tag-pretty pa uli sa Pilipinas. Wait, tag $1,000 nga nilo. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go to Angus.
Yeah,
Angus
mahal
and
man yun mo ni ate ya, pero di mo kaya.
hindi mo kaya. Hindi kaya ang Gucci pa. Ang Gucci. Gusto kayo.
$3,300.
Pakasal ka kung umakingan eh. Mukuan.
Pagdan dito sa Malado.
Kana lang, bisag kana lang mo, 8,000 na engagement ring. guys, we have to go. We have to go down because we couldn't find anything else. Guys, so we have to go down again. But before we go down, I'm just gonna try some glasses, guys. So we're at Oscar Wilde right now. I've been wanting to get an extra pair of glasses, guys, and we'll see if I can get them here now. It's the ones that I really like.
I like this one. Wow, wielding.
Asa ito isa na akong kato? Kato? Asa? Kato? I think this is the one. Habis sama kayo. Di banget kaya na mo. Hindi bagay. Nako. Bongga.
Walang kato? Nice.
What do you think, guys?
But very cool man siya tihok. Hindi mo pa yung kuron.
Habis sama kayo. Guys, opa. Oh, this one is.
Okay.
Sulat. Uy, ay nakikita mo.
Ay, trapo-trapo idya. Kay hait na yung
Tingin.
nice.
Dari man. Asa na? Ano ba si Nobita? Or this one. Murag on man ma. Tell me, guys, oh.
Lazy ko yan.
What's good about it, guys, is it's like 2 pairs for $1.99. So you can get sunnies and glasses, guys. 1 each for $1.99. Primo lagi, guys. Primo lagi, guys. Magsuti nga ni, naigrado. Bapa kayo, guys. Grabe. Oh, yan. Bapa kayo. Huwag na, guys. Utang-tang. Nakakita. Uy! Asa mo?
Pakulalan.
Nabuta na, guys. Huwag mo na, eh.
But, yeah, that's kanirate. Try this one. That one's nice.
Maraming span.
Dali na ba? Ito na yung oras masiladaan na ta. Dali daw.
Like you study? Hindi siya supportive.
Alright, like, aviators.
Lingo-lingo.
My thing. I don't like aviators.
This one. So, guys, I wasn't able to get my glasses from Oscar Wilde because they checked my record and they actually, well, my previous, how do you call that, man? Eyeglasses prescription, they're actually expired, guys. So that means they have to come back and do some tests again to make sure that the lenses are still the same. But you know, I don't have the luxury of time at the moment, guys, so I just get the lady to write it here, the styles that I really want for the frames. So later on, when I've done my eye test and then I'm ready to, you know, get my frames done, then I've got all the styles and I'm ready to go. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna do that in, I don't know, 2 weeks time.
So it's the same deal. It's basically it's not contract. It's just a 3-year payment plan. If you want to opt out,
Yeah,
you
have to.
you just pay it out like.
Yeah. What do you think? Guys, Daddy wants another phone. Guys, Daddy's getting this phone. See guys, it wasn't in the plan. Wala gid mi nagplano, guys. Oy, pero magkuha siya og iPhone 11 Pro Max. Sienna, guys. Sienna. So we left Dada at Vodafone because we have to go get the watches for my loved ones. But yeah, we're here now, guys. Oh, we'll see what's. Finally, guys, nakapili ulit me after 12 years. We're just gonna have a look at the chains for the kids, and then that's it.
Ang boys naman gid ang
For Joannis and
Bibi.
Bulado.
Kato ilang ganan for sure kanang
Have a look, guys, ha? Ang mga pasalubong ko.
say thank you, ate.
So we're done at Crowds, guys. We've got everything that we need. So it is currently 3:16 in the afternoon, and we're gonna go get something to eat because we haven't had anything to eat today. So we're just at the lift. Hi, sweetie. And Paris is now awake. I'm just pushing yung book. You say hi, honey. Baby
Say
girl,
hi.
say hi. No. Okay. Say yes.
Hip hip.
Yes.
Hip hip.
Hip hip. So we're just at the food court, guys, because we are getting something to eat for lunch, and this is what I ordered. Come here. Paris, guys, palayu ay. So this is what I ordered. This is from Japanese restaurant, guys. It's the salmon chahan, so it's like fried rice with, you know, bits of salmon. So this is what I'm gonna eat. And then Dada is not hungry, so he's not gonna have anything because he had something before. Bob, can you mind on Paris? Guys, liho kasi Paris, guys. Uy, amot na lang. So guys, I'm gonna eat now. I don't know what Tita got for herself, but I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat. Bon appetit! We just got McDonald's, guys. Oh, cheeseburger, sundae, chips, and chips. Hi guys, that's about it for today's video, I think. Yes, no boo boo didi mama. Yes. So we are on our way out from the shopping center, and we've got everything that we need. So we're gonna go home now, guys. So it's another maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes drive. But yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Give this a thumbs up if you like it, and also please don't forget to subscribe to be a part of this family. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye. Bye, nak. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Kiss, lang kiss.